What if you could get a professional 1-hour massage at an affordable price and help train the next generation of massage therapists while you're at it? It sounds too good to be true, but it's happening right now at MCG Career College. The MCG Wellness Clinic has been proudly serving the community as a student-led massage therapy clinic right here at MCG Career College. Here's how it works. Our massage therapy students, under the close supervision of licensed instructors, provide full 1-hour therapeutic massage at a price that is affordable and accessible for everyone. It's an incredible way to relax, manage pain, or support your wellness while also giving students the hands-on experience they need to succeed in their careers. Every session helps a student gain real-world clinical training, and every client gets the benefit of care guided by the professional standards. So if you're looking for high-quality, affordable massage therapy and you want to support the future health professionals, the MCG Wellness Clinic is the place to be. Appointments book quickly, so make sure to reserve your spot. And if you're thinking, this is something I'd love to do for a living, keep watching. Because MCG Career College offers a comprehensive massage therapy program that might be exactly what you're looking for. The Massage Therapy Diploma program at MCG Career College is built for people who want a science-based, hands-on career in one of Canada's fastest-growing wellness industries. Our basic massage therapy program is a 1,008-hour diploma that prepares you to work confidently in spas, clinics, rehab centers, and wellness facilities. You'll learn anatomy, physiology, treatment planning, and therapeutic techniques, and you'll apply it directly to supervised practicum experience, including shifts in our on-campus clinic. From day one, you're learning by doing, and the best part, you're not doing it alone. At MCG, our instructors are not just educators, they're industry leaders with real-world experience. They're committed to mentoring and supporting you every step of the way. You'll also get the practical training in client care, communication, and ethics, skills that are essential for success in today's healthcare and wellness setting. This program is a great fit for anyone passionate about health, wellness, and helping others feel their best. Whether you're starting fresh, changing careers, or building on a background in fitness, kinesiology, or healthcare, massage therapy can open the door to flexible and meaningful profession. With demand for trained massage therapists rising across Alberta and beyond, it's a smart move toward a stable and rewarding future. So whether you're ready to book a massage at the MCG Wellness Clinic or you're thinking about joining the Nest Massage Therapy Program, now is the time to act. Visit mcgcollege.com/massage-therapy to learn more about the program, explore admissions, and start your journey. If you're looking for a relaxing, affordable, and professional massage, support our students and your well-being at the same time, book your appointment today at the MCG Wellness Clinic. Please call us at 587-557-7271 or book in the Jane app below in the description. Your future, your wellness, and your career could all start right here at MCG Career College.
MCG, making communities great.